Are you experiencing Fire Stick profile error? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the Fire TV stick. The profile error issue on the Amazon Fire TV stick is a common problem that can occur after a software update or when trying to switch between user profiles. If the issue is occurring from a temporary glitch, then power cycle the Fire Stick. You can unplug the Fire TV stick from power, wait for a minute or so, then plug it back in. This can often resolve profile-related errors. Method 2. Update your Fire Stick. Update your Fire Stick to the latest version. This can resolve any bugs or compatibility issues that might be causing the error. Go to Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now check for updates on your Fire TV. If an update is available, install it and see if the issue is resolved. Method 3. Factory reset the Fire TV stick. If none of the steps shown here work, you can try resetting your Fire Stick to its factory settings. This will erase all data and settings. So make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Next, select Reset to Factory Defaults. Select Reset to confirm your action and let the resetting process complete. Once the resetting process is complete, set it up and the problem should be fixed. Method 4. Contact Amazon support. If the profile error persists after trying these steps, you may need to contact Amazon support for further assistance. They can help diagnose and resolve any hardware or firmware related issues. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick profile error. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.